This is the clinical math practice exam question number 12. How much volume of medication is needed in order to administer 128 milligrams of Ketorolac, or Toradol? So we'll start by what is the question asking us? How many milliliters over 1, since we're going to give it all at once, equals. Now next is going to be the concentration on hand. And the concentration on hand didn't show up as well when I scanned it. But right down you can see it'll say 30 milligrams per milliliter. You could enter in the dose on hand as well. They'll both work. This would just come up with a bigger number that you need to reduce. So we'll say that there is 1 milliliter of Ketorolac. It has 30 milligrams. And we want milliliters on the top in the numerator because it's in the numerator and the answer on the left side of the equal sign. Next, our ordered dose, 128 milligrams. Over 1. Now, just to keep the numerator and the denominator straight. So we can get rid of the milligrams. We have milliliters on the left, we have milliliters on the right. And we're left with 128 milliliters divided by 30. So now to do this, just give myself a little extra room here. 30 goes into 128. I don't know that off the top of my head, but I do know that 3 goes into 12 4 times. So let's start there. And do 30 times 4 is 120. 8. Okay, so 30 goes into 8 0 times, so we're going to put a decimal here. We'll go into decimal land and we'll bring a 0 down because we can just keep adding decimals, or keep adding zeros in decimal land. 30 goes into 80 twice. 20 times 2 times 30 is 60. I'm running out of room. 20. 30 goes into 20 0 times, but you just keep bringing zeros down. 30 goes into 200 6 times, and we can stop there because we're going to go to 1/10 of a milliliter. So 4.3 milliliters is the amount of medication we would want to administer.